Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to you.
Whoa, whoa, you okay?
Daddy, do.
Okay. Say happy birthday, Tutu.
Happy birthday to you.
Whoa, nice. What other song should we sing?
Bingo.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
There was a farmer
had
a
a
dog,
dog and
a bingo was his name. Oh, B-I-N-G-O.
B-I-N-G-O. B-I-N-G-O. And bingo was his name. Look at this face you're making. Say happy birthday, Tutu.
Happy birthday to you.
And then here's Cammy eating his sweet potatoes. Potatoes. Sweet potatoes. He's wearing his cool socks. And here's Kaleo. Say hi, Tutu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. I love you, Tutu.
All right, good job.
I want to watch baby.
You want to say bye?
Bye. Bye.
Oh, that's the longest bye ever.
Yay!
So what did we do today, Kaleo?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? We went sledding.
Yeah.
And then you helped Mommy shovel, right?
I do.
You did.
Mm.
Okay, now you're just being goofy. Okay, say bye now.